In this video, we'll go over 5 of the best pre-workout snacks, so stay tuned and keep watching till the end. Number 1. Coconut water. One of the most refreshing pre-workout snacks is a simple glass of cool coconut water. It's satisfying, filling, and is full of easily digested carbs as well as electrolytes, such as potassium. Number 2. Almond butter and apples. Apples slathered with almond butter is a filling and savory snack. It won't digest as quickly as a fruit smoothie or coconut water, but it's a simple, go-to pre-workout snack. Number 3. Fresh berries and cottage cheese. Try combining fresh berries with cottage cheese or yogurt for a quick and easy snack. Again, this will take a bit more to digest but will help power a longer workout and keep you from feeling hungry until you can have a proper post-workout meal. Number 4. Hard-boiled egg and toast. Having a hard-boiled egg on whole grain toast is a super simple and filling snack. It's also a back-to-basics snack that's inexpensive and easy to prepare. Number 5. Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk has the ideal ratio of carbohydrates and protein to help repair muscle damage after tough workouts. It also provides a nice, simple, pre-exercise snack. Just don't go overboard with the milk. A pint could be plenty if you are doing a 30 to 45 minute workout. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing.